right, so I'm at Buchanan Oasis Farm, and I'm about to get me some fresh eggs.
Hey guys, I'm officially Fran, and today at Buchanan Oasis Farmstead, we have our first farm stand customer. So come on, check it out.
This is my first time buying fresh eggs from a farm. I'm on a black-owned farm, so I'm happy about that. Like, this is really the first time I just really wanted to visit anybody's farm other than a school field trip. So this is very exciting. I'm getting ready to buy me some fresh eggs, brown eggs.
Thank you very much for being here. So this is a self-serve farm stand, which means Aisha's gonna go in there on her own. Go on.
Okay.
Right now we just have eggs and art, but at some point we'll have everything else. Now I'm gonna step in before you so I can get in the back, and that way you can come in.
Okay.
Now, so what you would do
Alright.
You got the camera close enough? Okay. So what she would do is she would come in, she would grab herself a bag, and she would grab whatever it is that she wants to buy. The prices are listed, not listed. She knows how much they are.
Right.
She'll bag her stuff up, and then either she will scan to pay with her credit card, or she'll drop the cash right here in this box. I come out here and check this box in the evening and pull all the cash in. They get in their car and they leave. I don't need to be here. I'm not a cashier. We on the honor system. Everybody does what they need to do.
Right.
And so you go ahead and bag your eggs up.
So these are some people that trust their community and leave the eggs out. I'm gonna get my eggs, and they are $5 a dozen. So I'm gonna get me 5 dozen. I got about 5 people in my family, so I think that a dozen a person should work out, because we all love omelets and eggs and boiled eggs and all kind of eggs. This be work though, like you like you working.
Everybody don't pull up and buy 5. They come in, they grab some eggs, and if there's like baked goods, they might grab some cookies, a cake, and then they on their way. Maybe I'll get my soap and stuff out here.
Okay. And I put my money in the box.
Yep.
And I'm gonna take my eggs away like nobody was there monitoring me.
Nope. Nobody is monitoring.
Next time.
Hey guys, go over and check Aisha out at Live, Love, Laugh, the podcast. A link will be in the description below. Bye-bye for now.